everyone, it's Dr. Brody Sharp with Bannockburn and Physical Therapy in Glenview. This month we're going to be featuring GVN Performance. So GVN Performance is one of our partners that we use to send our patients to once they're at their phase in the care where they can work on strengthening stuff that we have fixed or that we are fixing. They have locations here in Northbrook, they have one in Chicago, one in Geneva, and then one in Plymouth, Michigan. So GVN, over the next month, they're going to give you guys some tips on how to improve your overall well-being, some performance tips, some training tips, whether you're training for a marathon, you're a paddleball player, pickleball, or whether you just like going to the gym and working out. So they're going to give you stuff to basically optimize your performance and get the most out of the training that you're doing. So sit back and enjoy.
Hi, my name is Jackson Fry. I'm the director here at GVN Performance North Shore. GVN Performance is a training facility geared towards training athletes and adults who want to achieve higher levels of performance. One of our goals for our adult population is to feel young and maintain performance, whether that be men's league hockey, distance running, paddle, pickleball, whatever it may be. We want to help you achieve those performance goals. And a big part of feeling young and maintaining high levels of performance is joint function. Right, so a lot of people believe that your joints lose function because you get older. And here at GVN Performance, we firmly believe that it is because you do not move as much as you get older. So ways that we can combat that, to move more, right? So we can do that in two ways. One is more of an isolation approach, where we work every single joint through a full range of motion on a daily basis through our daily CARS routine from functional range conditioning. Or, in addition, we also want to incorporate movement in more of a dynamic, integrative approach through our 3D Maps Lunge Matrix from the Gray Institute. All right, so now we're going to do what's called the daily CARS routine from functional range conditioning. So I'm going to start with my neck, work all the way down to my ankles, moving each joint through a full range of motion. All right, so first one with the neck, relax the shoulders. Okay, now the T-spine. Shoulder blades. The shoulder. Elbows. Wrist. We'll get into the hip. So we're going to go up, open, internally rotate as you bring that leg around. And the knee. And then the ankle. The important thing to remember is whenever you're doing these exercises, to try to keep the rest of your body still and only isolate the joint that you're working. So the lunge matrix that we do is called the 3D Maps Matrix from the Gray Institute. So we're going to lunge in all three planes of motion. So the sagittal plane, front to back, the frontal plane, side to side. We will also do a rotational lunge. Okay, so I'm going to go through this and give you a demo. I'll do a couple reps of each one so you can kind of see the motions and then how it integrates a lot of movements from each joint together. Okay, so I'll start with the sagittal lunge here. Take a step forward, gonna reach up and back, step back and round. Okay, next the frontal, so you can bring your arms up overhead. You're gonna lunge to the side and then side bend away. And then you step across and then side bend the opposite way. And then the last one will be that rotational lunge. So you see it here, I'm gonna open up my hips, swing my arms, and then I'm gonna bring my leg across, swing the arms back. So to wrap things up, so in order to optimize your joint function as you age so you can feel young and perform at a very high level, the biggest thing you need to do is move your joints through a full range of motion on a daily basis, both in an isolation type manner and also integrating it with the rest of your body in a more dynamic movement setting. So we went through the morning cars routine from functional range conditioning. So my recommendation is to do that at least once a day for 5 to 8 reps per joint. Then we also went through the 3D Maps Lunge Matrix from the Gray Institute, and you could do that for as many sets as you'd like, but my recommendation is 2 to 3 sets of 5 per direction will be a good place to start. If you have any questions about anything we covered today, you can direct them towards the Bannockburn Chiro team. If you want to reach out to me directly, my Instagram handle is listed below @ForceByFry. You can reach out to GVN Performance directly at GVN Performance, or if you want to stop by and ask any questions or even just to say hi, we're located here on Founders Drive in Northbrook, right inside the North Shore Ice Arena. Hope to see you soon.